Shannon. Welcome to this week's Trafalgar Primary School Virtual Assembly. Please join us and stand up as we start our assembly by playing the National Anthem of Australia and reading our Acknowledgement of Country.
Trafalgar Primary School would like to acknowledge our local Indigenous tribe, the undertaken, as the traditional landowners. At the school, we recognise the elders and the Indigenous people who had their own cultural space before us. They had their own way of life and contributed to the way we live now. Thank you to the Indigenous people and the Gurkha tribe for the land we are meeting on today.
Good afternoon, Trafalgar Primary School. Firstly, I'd like to just say a big thank you to our community, especially the juniors, on how well they've transitioned back to school. The students have done such a great job of entering the school in the morning all on their own, and parents, you've done a top job too. All the students have settled really well back into the classroom. Some new routines, including our hand washing and our hand sanitising, are going really well. Today's assembly, we're going to share some photos of the junior students back at work. Hand sanitizer. Go and line up on the letter that starts with your name. Oh yeah! Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Hey, don't forget to have a drink of water.
It's now time for the joke of the week. Are you ready? Why are fish so smart? because they live in schools. Thanks for joining us for our virtual assembly this week. On behalf of all the school captains, we hope you continue to stay safe and have a great weekend. Bye.